Don't sweat it. They say you never know about tomorrow, but could it be that I actually know about tomorrow? Could it be that I actually do? So see, we've been taught to fear the unknown, to naogopa persona, to act like the future is some mystery which is hidden behind the clouds. But the truth is that your tomorrow often looks a lot like the seeds that you are planting today. What you don't know about tomorrow? What if I know about my tomorrow? If you spend every day complaining, every day you are procrastinating, you are gossiping, and even blaming others, guess what? Your tomorrow will look like that. Or what do you think? But if you spend today working, you spend today learning, you spend it praying and showing up even when no one is clapping for you, then your tomorrow is already unfolding in your favor. And therefore, wenzangu, so stop using that you never know about tomorrow as a tactic for inaction. Because they don't want to act. Stop pretending that the future is fate, when we really know that it's a reflection of your discipline. So you do know about your tomorrow. You do know about your tomorrow. So if you are building it, you don't know if you are just waiting for it. So as usual, let me go back to the Bible. The Bible says in the book of Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 that a man reaps what he sows. That's not a mystery. That's what we call a principle. So what you invest in today is the picture of your tomorrow. That is what you're going to reap. And therefore, don't say, hey, I don't know. So yes, I know about my tomorrow. Why? Because as you can see, I'm working towards it. I'm praying for it. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm sowing for it. And if you're doing the same, don't let anyone talk you out of your grind. You are grinding right now. You don't know about tomorrow. By the way, this is what Orina say. You are real talk. Real people who believe in purpose, not luck. What one of Fikiria is by luck, it's by faith. No. And I want to give a shout out to our last episode, whereby Miriam was saying that you never know about tomorrow. Shout out to Miriam who said, I'll say maybe, when you leave ready, even surprises don't shake you. When you leave ready, even surprises don't shake you. That's exactly the mindset. Stay ready so that you don't have to get ready. When you're always ready, you don't need to get ready because you are always ready. And therefore, today I want to say that let nobody kukushtua it. You don't know about tomorrow. When people, that's an excuse for inaction. People don't want to act, so they want to kukushtua too. That you don't know about tomorrow. Maybe somebody, outcomes they only use that when somebody needs you to act, and they also on their side they do not want to act. See you next time.